Hi, it's Patty Durrell, the CEO of Rock Solid Fitness and a licensed physical therapist assistant, here to talk to you about real talk. So men, you want to listen up. I'm going to be talking your language, the big T, testosterone. I know you women are interested in it too because it makes our bodies and muscles look beautiful. In this article, which I want to point out to you, the article name is Does Working Out Increase Testosterone Levels? Well, in this article, which you can click the link below to it, you'll also find a whole bunch of links to all of the research that was cited in this article, which is why I loved it so much. Mostly research done in the field of endocrinology, which is where testosterone fits in the medical field. It's a hormone, and that's what the endocrine system is all about. So, how do we increase testosterone levels? Well, we can get it injected, we can take pills, we can do all kinds of stuff, pellets in our butt or in our arm, or we can do things naturally before we go to the chemicals, which is what I always try to recommend, right? If you need to reduce your cholesterol, maybe before taking the pill, you try some natural lifestyle changes. So the bottom line to all of this research and this article, men, and I'm going to say this applies to women too, I'm going to assume maybe. Right here it says, men who are generally more active typically have higher levels of testosterone. Heavy strength training and interval training are the best workouts to boost testosterone. So if you're not strength training heavy, I encourage you to do that before thinking about other alternatives. There's also, of course, other nutritional or dietary changes that you could make also that might increase your testosterone. But know that one of the best ways to increase your testosterone is to work out with heavy resistance. I love it, I do it myself, and I hope you do too.